See it's silky now. I say anyhow, if I born again, I would be a makeup artist. Anything what to do with beauty. Straight up. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how I do my own ponytail. Yes, a few people was asking me, so this is how I do my ponytail. First I prep my hair, I relax it, neutralize, shampoo, condition. So Kavel normally do my hair, but lately I am just taking my time and doing it myself. Hair short, so I'm gonna show you how I ponytail my hair. Alright, we're done. You have your needle. You're gonna get your thread, needle and thread. You're gonna get your gel. I like to use clear gel. And you're gonna need extension, 2 pieces of extension, because remember say you're gonna add ear, because my ear is not tall, so I'm gonna create something here. Your needle, your thread, and your eco gel, the clear one, and then this is the ponytail. And I'm gonna also have my straightener. And I have no flat iron, so I'm gonna use this one when we finish. You need a tail end comb, but my tail end comb them no good, but I'm gonna use it, so I'm gonna use this one instead. But get something small, something fine, and you're gonna need elastic band because you're gonna pony. So I'm gonna prep it now. We double it like this and leave this one out. I'll leave one extra bit out. So I'm gonna brush it out, make sure it's neat and tidy. Yeah, fold it like that. And then you brush it out. Your pony is ready. You're gonna gel up your ear. Yeah. So when you're ready, it's gonna be like this. Pony up. Okay? I want it here. You prepare it like this. And then now I'm gonna take the comb now and bake it in. Bake it in until it neat. Bake it in until it neat. Okay, so the front fix, I need to fix the back. Now that I gel it up, I'm going to give it a little style here. I have the second elastic band when I catch the rest of ear them. To let it work, I'm going to use this. This is how I have to work with. So I'm going to plait this in. So this is how I do my pony. Start to plait, start to plait, start to plait. And this is how I do my pony. Do my own hair. So now that this is finished, I'm gonna do like this. So now that I create this little bun, this is what I'm gonna sew on the ear upon this. So you need your needle and thread. I found myself, and you tie this. Hi, how are you doing, guys? Thank you for joining. We're gonna blow dry it. Thank you for keeping my company. One thing with me, me not like the eating business in my head, so that me don't it will not dry no more. It will dry by itself later. Get my hair.
Have you all noticed how girl I move like a professional hairdresser? Talk to me nice.
I start with this one, the one that stay like this, and I'm gonna end it with the one will loose. Okay, I start from the top and go round in a circle, round and round and round. Because I'm doing it myself, it's gonna take time. Okay, guys. Always make sure you have one curve needle.
Just remember when you sewing in the hair, start from the top, keep it all together and keep going around in circle. Keep the pattern the same way, going around and around. Do not try to sew it in the opposite direction. Keep it in one direction.
You don't have to do it tight.
You know, a video like this, I could have done a Q&A while doing my hair. That would be so nice. Let me know if you want a Q&A. Yeah, question and answer video from me because I haven't done one. Reason being, girl too emotional. I'm gonna want to get in on my feelings and then start to like, you know. But I'm feeling comfortable now with you all. If you like to hear a Q&A, question and answer, let me know. Drop some question and the next video I'm doing while doing my hair, I will definitely answer them. Yes, get to know me.
Oh dear, that was a task. I'm gonna brush this out. And from underneath here, I'm gonna take out a bit like this. I'm gonna wrap it around just a tiny bit like this. I'm gonna wrap it around the ear. Forget that look. There. And the pony is secure. I'm gonna take my straightener and then start straightening the ear. And then I press it out. Literally press it out because I don't have no flat iron. If you don't have any flat iron, you can also use a curler. But the curler you just keep drawing it down straight. So I'm gonna make this heat up a bit and I'm gonna tidy up my area. If I should live my life all over again, I would be a hairdresser. Would I work for myself, have my own hairdressing salon? Yeah, it's never too late, but the feelings there still in my head, but I don't think more do it right now. Not in England. Most like if me retire and go back to Jamaica, I would have my own ear salon. I may have my makeup artist them doing lash, eyebrow, facial, Botox, teeth whitening, stuff like that. My hairdressing salon would have everything. Body wax, fat removal, with the massage thing, manicure and pedicure. My shop would have everything. Alright, drink water.
Right now, me feel like one big hairdresser. The other day, I have been getting so much compliments from everybody about my ponytail, and thank you all. Anyway, what do you think about me doing my own hair? And so far, just leave a comment, like the video, man, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl, Alicia Christopher. At the end of the day, if I should live my life all over again, I would definitely become a hairdresser. I would become a hairdresser. I've been getting compliments on my WhatsApp. People asking me, what kind of gel you use? How you do it? Who is your hairdresser? Cavell is my hairdresser, but I'm a smart learner and I learned to do it myself now. But big up Cavell once again. I learned from the best.
My workplace said they didn't like when time I ear in a pony. So this is gonna be my new hairstyle. You know, Dino? I know I'm gonna use a other one. You see? So look nice, don't it? Too bad phone no can't say something look nice. Bad mind. Too active. Eh? Eh? And I mean, make no can't do any ear, you know? It's not me. I can't sit down and learn. So I'm not come over here with a bad mind. So thank you. Yeah, them sit down and I watch. And yeah, say it look nice. What can go so? And I mean, make no. And I mean, make no. Teach me. I'm if you tell you. I don't have money. We don't have money like that. So I don't have any. My flat iron not working, but I have this. So I'm gonna make this heat up, and then this is very hot. I'm gonna put it at 200 degree because according to them say a human hear this. As I said to you, your gel, eco gel, the white one, your needle, your thread, your straightener, your scissors, small teeth comb, tail end comb for do the part, or you can use any comb and one flexible brush where you can brush through the ear like this. Yeah. And just sit on your front here. Sit down and do it. I have this one now. As you can see, it's on 200 degree. I'm gonna press it out more and then it's gonna just look silky. If you have spray, like ear spray, when you finish you can spray your ear, but it's not necessary because the gel make it look smooth and nice already. Before you do your hair, make sure you can perm it. After you perm it, make sure you have neutralizer, shampoo, and your condition. And if you want like put in rings to make it look dark, you can get your rings. That's how it is. See, TikTok I tell me if you put in something. Tap up the live, people. TikTok just send me a notification. So I'm satisfied with the heat now coming from this, so I'm gonna press it out a bit. Now press it out again.
I do not have a flat iron, but because girl know how to take her hand and turn in a fashion, me I go use the curler. When you use the curler, do not bend the hair around the curler. Do not do anything fancy with the curler. Just hold the curler onto the hair and pull it straight down. Take a look and see what I'm doing. Pull it straight down. You know, so I need to go start work with some ear company Me go reach out. Me go need wig, ear product, and some equipment for work with ear. Adapt me I go do.
I say it's silk, you know. I say any oh, if I born again, I would be a makeup artist. Anything what to do with beauty. Straight up. I just say money there. When you send your pitney go to school, teacher love tell pitney what them to do. Because you're bright at school, you tell them say you want to do hairdressing. You know what they do? Put the pitney there when smart like that pan certain shift and give them practical stuff to do. And then you where them things say smart, they give you business study. That is so wrong. You need to ask kids what they really want to do when they grow up and stop force profession upon kids. Cause I wish me they do hairdressing. Would I have more wanna shop by now? I'm know say my hairdressing shop would have sell off. And I ask that me know. Because I not have what name the comb? The pressing comb, the flat iron. May I use this, but may I try not to bend it. If you bend it, you're gonna get that look like it a curl. Me no want that look, them I want a straight look. Yeah, I don't want that look, I want a straight look. You can't press it out because I'm morning when me I go work again. Me normally press it out again. As I said to you, I can do it myself, so that's the reason why she go on so. She can do her hair herself, that's why she go on so. Una no follow me and go cut off on the hair because una is not a hairdresser. And some of una have to go hairdresser go waste money. And I have no money to get hairdresser. Hairdresser richer than me right now. So I have to learn to do things for myself. Because I have nobody on mine. I can't call no man and say, I want to go to the hairdresser. But I will learn to do it here yourself. God, the money they can go buy oxtail and goat, because I love goat and oxtail meat and fish. Okay, so that's it. And I'm gonna show you the final look now. So that's it, I'm finished. Hi, what are you doing today? Guys, please remember to like the video, leave a comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'm out. Now go stand up and make you see how it look. Say good girl is a hairdresser. Good girl is a hairdresser. Scandal. Watch pony. Watch pony. Watch pony. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you for watching my video. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at Alicia Christopher. I love my name. I look like my mother didn't know somebody that gonna be a star. Because she never give me a better name. So make sure on the cream on the hair. If you don't want diet on a diet, because me no gray hair now go nowhere. If you don't want to put rings in the ear, you want to put rings in the ear and make sure it black and nice and shine. So blow dryer, oops, curling iron, straightener, needle, one clip, brush, gel, comb, scissors, comb again, tail end comb, and one next comb again. So right here, so I have 3 different comb and brush and your lip gloss. So thank you. Bye. Let me do one thumbnail. Girl, I gotta do one thumbnail. Alright, that's my thumbnail.